But having got an idea for what it is you want, then the normal next step is not just to deliver that to the user, but to create some sort of prototype system. Sometimes that's no more than a sketch on a piece of paper that you show to someone. Sometimes it might be a physical mock-up. Product designers use a blue foam, or you might use a 3D printer, or just cardboard to show somebody what something's going to be like. You might use Flash or some web pages to step through the major views, or even create software that is using programming, using quite detailed work, but it's still not necessarily the final system, but something to give somebody an idea of what it's going to be like. Now, the reason for this prototyping stage is that you never get it right first time, because people are people. You don't fully understand situations, you don't fully understand people. If you could really early on, then you perhaps wouldn't need it. If you have a perfect understanding of who people are, what they want, then you could just go and create it, but we never do. So we always need to go through these stages of looking at something, finding out whether it works.